Sunday, Dunkin' Donuts is teaming up with the Pat and Jim Calhoun Cardiology Center for March Goodness. Here to fill us in about it is Dr. Bruce T. Liang, the Cardiology Center's director, and Molly Burt, Dunkin' Donuts Field Marketing Manager. Thank you both for being here. Molly, thank you for the goodies.
Of course, we couldn't come without the goods.
I guess not. All right, Doctor, as the director of the center, tell me the work that you're doing there.
Well, we've been inspired by Coach and his wife Pat, and for whom the center was named, and we've been developing and have developed a truly comprehensive center of excellence. We take care of patients with all forms of heart disease, and we have experts who can practice prevention to intervention with cardiac stents, cardiac surgery, vascular surgery, and so we've been very proud of what we've been able to accomplish. We're particularly thankful this time for Coach and Dunkin' Donuts for their generosity, because we don't just take care of patients, we try to discover cures for heart disease, tomorrow's medicine. And one of the things we are doing is develop a blood test for patients who are at risk for developing a second or third heart attack. And so identifying those patients upfront earlier will allow us to treat them better. The other area has to do with developing new treatment for heart failure that develops after a heart attack. And on that front, in terms of heart attack, we have some very exciting record-breaking time for treating patients in the throes of an acute myocardial infarction, which is a heart attack. That's the door-to-balloon time. We did a 10-minute time for a patient who walked in the middle of a heart attack. In 10 minutes, we unblocked the artery that caused the heart attack, which is a record. We're trying to break that record ourselves. 3 weeks ago, we came close. We had an 11-minute door-to-balloon time. We couldn't try to break it, but you know, it's our effort. Right? Every minute counts, so we're doing everything we can to help the patients. And this particular cause with Dunkin' Donuts is very helpful, because we're going to leverage the support to, you know, for everybody. You know, that's what we do every day, 24/7, trying to take care of patients with heart disease.
Very good. And Molly, let me ask you, why did Dunkin' Donuts decide to get behind the Cardiology Center?
Well, we have a strong relationship with UConn, with Jim Calhoun, and the UConn Medical Center in Connecticut is such a great cause and hospital in the area, and there's nothing that our franchisees want to do more than just give back. So celebrating March Madness, March Goodness, we want to give back and tie it all together. So that's why we partnered with the Pat and Jim Calhoun Cardiology Center. And you can come to our stores to find out how to do it.
So it has something to do with this, though.
Exactly.
A little further.
So when guests come to our stores, if they donate $1 to the Pat and Jim Calhoun Cardiology Center, they write their name here on this little icon, and all the proceeds will go to the Cardiology Center. So it's it was from the 3rd it started, and it ends on the 15th. And so you still have a week.
And an incentive also, right? A little bit of a thank you.
There is. There's nothing like coming to Dunkin', because we love our coffee, so we need to make sure that when they do a good deed and our guests support a great cause, that we give them something back as well. And so as a thank you for their donations, we're giving everyone a 99-cent coupon for a medium iced coffee.
Very nice. Well, let's put that information up on the screen. You could stop by participating Dunkin' Donuts now through this Sunday and make a donation. It's all part of March Goodness. More information, all you have to do is go to heart.uchc.edu.